Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we'll go over how to install our custom carbon fiber dashboard. Okay, so our dashboard actually includes 4 pieces. It's our main piece, followed by headlight switch panel, and 2 corner pieces. Let's go over some tools we'll need for our installation today. We'll need a wrench, 10 and 7mm socket, T15 Torx, and plastic removal tools. And as always, before every installation, let's grab our 10mm socket and disconnect the battery. We will begin our installation on the left side with the headlight switch panel. In order to remove this panel, you need to remove this click first, and then there will be a 7mm screw holding this panel in place. To remove this panel, grab it by the bottom and pull it towards yourself. You can use a plastic removal tool if you need to. Just a bunch of clips. And then you will have a 7mm screw here. And pop that panel towards yourself as well. You might use again a plastic tool to remove it, but then it just and disconnect it here. You will have a metal clips on the top. That's where it holds together the toughest, so you might need to add some extra force here. Next, we would have to switch your headlight switch cluster from your part to our carbon fiber part. To do that, it's very simple. There are 4 clips holding it in place. All you have to do is just simply push on the clips and slowly push it out of your trim. It just comes out like that. Same way, you just grab a new part and you slide it back in, properly aligned, just like that. It clicks and it stays in. Now go ahead and reconnect your panel, align it with the clips, simply push it back. Now reinsert 7mm screw. Grab your click, align it with the holes and put it back in. That's it. Let's go to the passenger side. We will start with removing the bottom part along with the main dashboard, and the reason for it is the clip. Basically right here, it's a metal clip that is attached to the dashboard, and it's very easy to break it if you're trying to remove this clip, this part on its own. So what we're gonna do, we will grab it from the bottom, use our trim removal tool to pop the bottom 2 clips, and now you can see that it's holding to the main part right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our dashboard. Again, you can use a trim removal tool and just basically go towards yourself with it and all along, just like that. Since we have performance package, we're going to disconnect it, and that's how you remove the entire dash. And I will show you a clip that's holding it in place, the metal one. That's why we're removing it together, because again, if you're trying to remove this piece on its own, it's very easy to break this part. Also, now we manufacture this part of your trim in, again, very customizable variety of carbon fiber finishes, and we can either produce a custom batch for you, or you can use your batch on the aftermarket piece that you will get from us. One thing is, it's easy to remove it because it's attached by double-sided tape on the back. To remove this, you will have a 2mm screws right here. And then you will have clips all around it, so just basically pull towards yourself again. Trim removal tool. The air vent is attached to it, just make sure it's aligned. You put it back on, and as I said, you just remove this plastic piece, and it's 3M all around it. So if you can nicely and carefully cut it from the bottom, you can replace it to a new piece. In order to complete our installation, we will have to swap couple items on our dashboards. First, let's remove this side from our stock dashboard. Use your trim removal tool, go under that clip and pull it out. Next step would be air vents and gouges. So we'll go ahead and remove our air vents first and then unscrew gouges. That would be 4 screws. To remove air vents, there are 4 clips. Usually they would have a tape around them. That's where the clips are, which you have to squeeze and push it through. Basically this. The clips I'm talking about are those that they have a small teeth out. Now we'll remove the gouges. We'll get the Torx 15. Get all 4 screws. Put it to the side and let's swap our dashboards. Align your gouges and reverse those steps. Okay, once we did that, we'll go ahead and put back our air vents. Just to give you guidance on how to do so, they will be going in, but the idea is you have to make sure, if you look at them, you will see that the bottom is flat. So that's how you reinsert them. This way, flat bottom to the bottom and push them through. Just like that, pops in. Again, flat bottom. Make sure it's aligned. That's all. Now we're back inside. We'll reinstall our main piece along with that click. But before, make sure you connect your gouges, performance gouges, and now you have to align it how it was before. All the gaps, all the clips, and push on it. Just like that. it's already in place. And the last piece would be the side. In order to put it back, make sure you align it where the clips should go. And just slowly push it back. That's all. That's how we do our custom carbon fiber dashboard installation.